What's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is Karen taunts police after caught snooping around. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
Two women cause disturbances in public. This woman assaults multiple officers when confronted. But first, see this Karen who has no idea the mess she's about to get into.
Where's she at?
She's right there. Yeah, her keys are actually inside because we did not feel right giving her keys. Very inebriated. She does not stay here. She says she stays in the vicinity. That's the gentleman that she was arguing with.
Dave, if you want to talk to her, I'll talk to him.
Hey, how are you?
Wonderful. How are you?
Good, great.
What's going on?
This boy in there is talking shit. He's like anti-police. He's anti-everything. He's a moron. So we kind of got into a conflict.
Okay. How do you know him?
I don't know him from shit.
Okay. Who is she to you?
Nobody.
Nobody.
You never met her?
I'm not from here. I'm from South Carolina.
Obviously.
Yeah. And then I parked on the other side, but then I saw her lean on top of the blue Mustang. She started looking through it, like going through people's stuff, and I was like, I don't want to leave my stuff here.
Because he's a moron. I don't know a moron.
You got any ID on you?
Sure, in my truck.
You don't have keys for it, though, do you?
I do.
You have the keys?
They're in the fucking goddamn. They're in the hotel, man.
Okay.
I went in there to get key.
Yeah. Where do you
I
live?
can walk home from here.
Where do you live?
Across the street. Go ahead, Google it.
I don't
I
need to
promise
Google
you,
it.
I can
know
walk
where
there
it's
from
at.
here.
What's your name?
Laura?
Is that your full name? No.
What are you talking about? I mean, what do you want?
Is that your first name?
What do you want?
Just the type. We got to file. Let me go over here real quick.
What do you want? Tell me what you want.
How much have you had to drink?
Not that much. I'm just in a bad mood, and he pissed me off with this bullshit.
Not that much?
Not that much,
What's
really,
not- what's
because I
not
worked all fucking day, actually.
What's not that much?
Not that much.
Just advise who the registered owner is on that. Okay.
He's just being a bitch. He's a fucking punk. He's a punk.
Who?
And
which one's your car?
This kid, whoever he is.
Okay, which one's
he's
your
a
car?
punk.
I want you to listen to what I'm telling you.
I'm walking home. I'm good.
Oh, are you?
Yes, I live across the street.
I don't care whether you live across the street because you're not going yet. Because if we got a criminal charge, what car is yours?
You're currently charging me for walking?
Oh, disorderly intoxication. If we want to go to burglary.
Burglary? What did I steal? I didn't steal anything.
No, don't you dare. Don't you even dare.
I didn't steal anything. Are you kidding me?
Now we got resisting. How's that?
Yeah, you're badass, aren't you?
Not as bad as you when you go to jail.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Don't you snatch away from me. All right,
Get
John.
out of these things. Now.
Guess what, John? You're going.
Now.
You're going.
Now.
I'm not going to tolerate it.
Oh, get off my shoulder. I'm a
Let's go.
woman. I'm a woman. Get off my shoulder.
You being a woman has nothing to do with anything. You're going to be treated just like everybody else. A lot of times, you know, women do say that. Hey, I'm a lady. Or the bystanders will be like, oh, she's a girl, this and that. Like, okay, men and women both do crimes. So what? Are we supposed to treat you any differently because you're a woman? No.
Shoulder. Stupid ass.
Thank you. Did you see if she took anything out of that blue Mustang? You say you saw her in there.
No, sir. She was looking in there.
Looking there, she didn't take anything out.
No, sir. But she was also looking in there, and then she started laying on all over the car.
Okay, never mind then. You want to go disorderly intox and resisting? Or do you just want to disorderly intox?
Oh, we can do resisting. Yeah, you can definitely do a resisting arrest.
Okay. I'm going to use the restroom real quick.
Yeah, no problem, sweetie.
All right, we'll just get a statement from you real quick.
So,
You called us here?
I called you here. So in the beginning, she first came in. I'll take it from the start. Like, she first came in, and she, like, leaned on against the wall. I was like, huh? And she knocked over one of our huge plants. So I got that back up, and she was like, where's your bathroom? So she went to the bathroom.
And she came in the front door, right?
Yeah, she came in the front door.
You're at the front desk there?
Yeah, I was coming from the bar because I work
Okay.
at the bar right now. Today, I'm at the bar.
Gotcha.
I leave her, I come back, and she's at the front desk talking to my front desk rep.
Why her voice sound like that?
saying whatever. You know, we could tell she was drunk.
Oh, yeah.
She left her keys up there. Didn't think it was right to give her keys. Me and my front desk
She just
person,
left them sitting?
yes, on the desk. Yeah, so we didn't know if she was a guest there because people check in all the time, but I don't know when she checked in, so I didn't know if she was a guest or not.
But y'all have confirmed she's not a guest?
She's not a guest,
okay.
no. She said she lives in there. I asked her where she's a guest. She said no, but she does live in the area.
Okay.
So then she came outside and he saw her looking through cars. He thought she was looking through cars. And then that's when I called the police. And then and that's when she started yelling at him.
Okay.
And it was getting louder and louder. And that's
This took place out here?
Yes, it took place out here. It did go in there, but I did coerce her to come outside.
Okay, so at some point she went
was
inside,
in there, yeah.
And she was
Calling
yelling.
him white trash and all
Okay.
this stuff like that.
Were there
So,
other patrons walking
yes,
around?
Yes, they were. I had a few people trying to check in. at the
Okay.
time.
And were they turning and looking?
They were
to see-
turning and looking and like, what's going on?
Okay.
So, yeah.
Did she
But,
argumentative with you?
no,
anything?
not at all. Just him.
Okay.
Just him.
Do you want to trespass from here?
Yes.
Okay. Anything else you need from me?
That's it.
All right.
I do appreciate you.
No problem. Thanks for calling.
Sorry you have to deal with this.
Oh, no. All right, Charles, if you want to come over here real quick, where did you interact with her?
Well, I pulled in.
Into the parking lot?
Yes, sir. And then I pulled over there. I parked my car, and I saw that she was looking in people's cars. Well, I didn't want her looking in mine, so I pulled to the front. I went and got the other lady that works here. I came back outside to sit by my car, and then she came up to me, and she was like, "Can you help me?" And I was like, "No." She was like, "F you," and then she came over here. She was in front of my car. She wouldn't let me in front of my car. And then I was like, "Can you please get away from my stuff?" And I was like, "I feel threatened right now." I was like, I can't get in my car to get away.
She blocked your freedom of movement to get into your car.
Yes,
correct?
sir. And then I was standing on my car trying to get in, but she kept acting like she was going to charge at me. So I walked back in there, and then she came in behind me. She started calling me white trash, F you.
Did she cause such a commotion that other people's attention was diverted towards you guys?
Yes, sir.
Is there anything that we've missed that you...
Good answer. Good answer. The cop set that up nicely, you know what I'm saying? He probably behind the camera like, yes, you hear me? The way that he answered that was...
Calling me white trash, F you.
Did she cause such a commotion that other people's attention was diverted towards you guys?
Yes, sir.
Is there anything that
Yes.
we've missed that you wanted to add to this?
No, sir.
Have you been to jail before?
A little bit.
Here? St. John's?
No,
Oh. Okay. Where?
never.
Where have you been to jail?
Never.
You just said.
I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
I know that's what they do.
Oh, okay. Well, you watch too much TV.
Yeah, you're right. I do.
Laura was charged with disorderly intoxication and resisting without violence. She is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
You okay? What's going on?
Man, you better stop talking.
Hey, what is wrong with you? You got people.
Shit,
We've got 5 people.
What's wrong with you, bro?
Stop yelling at me like
Hey,
that.
what you gonna do about it, nigga?
Get up.
Get up.
Show you what's up.
Female, that's right.
I don't care. I don't care.
No, you don't.
Are you gonna throw something at me? Okay, cool. Nah, give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand right now. Stop. Give me your hand. Nope. Give me that other hand. Give it to me. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Play like that, huh?
Yeah, I wanna play like that. And what, bitch? And what, nigga? And what? I'm well, huh? I'm a female. Marcella Boost. I got your own footage, huh? You lies ain't even on. I'm going to jail.
Get up.
That's another one that said that. I'm a female. So what? So what? What does that matter? Like, I'm a male. A black male. So what?
Walk.
How about that, ho?
How about that, huh?
Yeah, how about that, niggas? And what? You put together police head.
Stop.
Ha ha ha. Take my hat off. You gonna take my goddamn hat off on me, bitch. I do what the f*** I want.
Stop.
You hoe.
Get in there. Stop it. Stop it. fine.
Get my property, ho! Why they keep shooting me like this? He didn't even turn the motherfucking lights on. I ain't even got shit on me, man. Why?
Did you not say anything on the radio about... Throws her phone at me, hits me with it, throws cigarettes at me. I'm like, no, we're not going to sit here. I'm not going to let you throw stuff at me. When I tried to get her into custody, told her she was under arrest, she started resisting, fought her into cuffs. I don't even think they're double locked. Couldn't help me double lock, and she's like kicking me in the face and stuff.
Man, nobody gives a fuck about me, please. Fuck you, ho! Don't touch my shit again, nigga! Ha ha! Ha ha! You a bitch!
Hey.
What's wrong with you, fool?
Hey, you want to let us double lock those handcuffs so they don't tighten up on you?
What to do? Open my door.
Hey, I'm trying to make those...
I got spit, fool. Move out the way. I'm going to jail. Move. You got your body cam? Hell no. Move out the way.
All right, f it. You can just have tight-ass handcuffs. F***ing dumbass.
Yeah. Whatever. Yeah. I'll put in the back that she was fighting me into the car, and we asked her if she'd let us, if she spit on you.
Yeah.
That's a felony.
Hey, take a picture of it while it's here.
Send me a picture, but I'll get a photograph.
I'm back here. She's not going to be compliant.
She just spit on him when we were trying to adjust the handcuffs. Get a photograph of that.
Yeah, put your body cam on. Cause I'm like that, nigga. I'm a dude too hard, beat your ass.
So what do you guys think her drug of choice is? Because this is clearly not alcohol. This is a mixture of some mental health issues, and she's on drugs, okay? I remember when that was a huge trend a while back, where girls just shaving their heads, you know, to get the shortcut and all that stuff. But I don't know. I really don't know. Why would she spit on that officer like that? That's crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Clearly, she's been in and out of the system, and she don't really have no respect for the system. That's why she continues to act like that. She just needs to get hit one time. You know, there's different forms of act right? A lot of times we see the forms that happen out on the street, but sometimes the judge need to just hit them with that get right real quick, you know what I mean, and slap them with like a good 3 to 7, 5 to 7, 5 to 8, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes people need that. They need to just sit down, especially if they got an extensive track record, which I'm sure she probably does. Listen, you need to go sit down for 5 years. Maybe you'll learn something, you know what I mean? Not like prison is rehabilitation anyways, but there is a lot of lonely nights where you're just sitting in there and you like, damn, how did I get myself in this situation?
But I got feelings, bitch.
Man, so when I walked up, she's sitting on the curb, and I try to talk to her, and she's like, I don't want to talk to you, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, well, we got a call that you're out here fighting cars. Like, what are you doing? And she takes her phone and throws it at me, hits me with her phone. And so I said, cool, you're going to jail. And I get a little closer, I can smell she's intoxicated. And then we start fighting. I'm trying to key up, and she's like swinging and kicking. So I just going, yeah, okay. do. And I put her on the ground, and she like squeezed her arms together. So I pulled her hands behind her back, got one cuff on, and got the other one in and cuffed her. And then I couldn't double lock them, and we tried to double lock it. She spit on crook. So
I never seen her before in my life. All right.
I didn't hit her at all. So there's no use of force.
Okay. Why's her spit like brownish? Weird. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get Rona now. Oh well. Yeet.
I got this unidentified female in right to the detention center.
You don't hear me. Shut the fuck up. You doing your job. You ass dude. Shut the fuck up. Let's go, nigga. I'm ready to go. Ride. Turn your lights on and your sirens, ho. How about that? Let a nigga know what's up, ho. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Shut the fuck up. I hear you talking. Come on. You're going slow, ain't you? What? Like that! You dead, bitch!
I showed up on scene because she was outside an orthodontist causing issues, and I was like, hey, we got a call that you're like yelling and screaming and intoxicating. She takes her phone and just throws it at me and hits me with it, so I'm like, all right, cool, and then we start fighting.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10! You calm down?
I would say she said she got out like 2 days ago or something like that.
Yeah. Don't touch me, I want to...
What I say? An extensive track record. That's what I'm saying. You just got out 2 days ago because the criminal justice system is just, it's whatever. It's a free-for-all. That's why.
Email.
No, I'm supposed to
Alright. My arm hurts, you better let me go on the female. 26, here I come.
Oh, so much spit.
This suspect, Maricela, was charged with aggravated assault on a peace officer, resisting arrest, possession of drug paraphernalia, 2 counts of second-degree assault, and public intoxication, totaling a bond of $6,500. She is innocent unless proven guilty in a court.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.